Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamaarz. Today, we have an exciting product review for you, a deep dive into the 360 degrees rotating car cleaning foam brush. With extended handle, car enthusiasts and meticulous vehicle owners alike understand the importance of maintaining a clean and shiny exterior. The 360 degrees rotating car cleaning foam brush with extended handle has emerged as a promising tool for achieving that showroom finish. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the key features, performance, and overall value of this innovative car cleaning accessory. One of the standout features of this cleaning tool is its ability to rotate 360 degrees. This design ensures that every nook and cranny of your vehicle's exterior is reached with ease. The rotating brush head enhances the overall cleaning efficiency, making it a valuable asset for those hard-to-reach areas around wheel wells, grills, and intricate body contours. The extended handle is a game-changer for anyone tired of straining to reach the roof or lower panels of their vehicle. With an ergonomic design, this handle provides an extended reach without compromising on comfort during use. The added length proves particularly beneficial for larger vehicles such as SUVs and trucks. The brush itself is made from high-quality materials, ensuring a soft touch on your car's paintwork while effectively lifting and removing dirt. The foam brush is safe for all types of car finishes, including clear coats, ensuring that your vehicle is cleaned without the risk of scratches or swirl marks. The 360 degrees rotating car cleaning foam brush is designed with the user in mind. The handle features a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The rotating mechanism is smooth and easy to control, allowing for precise cleaning around various surfaces. The rotating brush head lives up to its promise, providing efficient cleaning performance. The 360 degrees rotation allows the brush to adapt to the contours of the vehicle, ensuring thorough cleaning without the need for excessive manual effort. The extended handle adds a level of versatility to this product. It effortlessly tackles everything from the roof to the lower panels, making it an ideal choice for comprehensive car cleaning. The brush's ability to navigate around complex shapes and tight spaces sets it apart from traditional cleaning tools. The high-quality foam brush is gentle on your car's paintwork, providing a safe yet effective cleaning solution. This is a crucial aspect for car owners who prioritize maintaining the pristine condition of their vehicle's exterior. The 360 degrees rotating car cleaning foam brush with extended handle proves to be a worthy investment for car enthusiasts and those who take pride in keeping their vehicles spotless. The combination of a rotating brush head, extended handle, and high-quality foam brush results in an efficient, user-friendly, and versatile cleaning tool. With its ability to reach every inch of your car's exterior, this product has rightfully earned its place as a must-have accessory in any car cleaning arsenal. Say goodbye to tedious and incomplete cleaning sessions. The 360 degrees rotating car cleaning foam brush is here to revolutionize the way you care for your vehicle.